What is going on, guys? We have a fun video here. So another update on the GTCS. Mitch went ahead and picked up a JLT cold air intake and a Palm Beach Dyno tune from the Mustang Lifestyle website. We got all the parts in. We're gonna go install it and put the tune on and see what it picks up. It should be considerably faster. We did the exhaust the other day on it. Now Mitch wanted to add a JLT to it, and you know, it has the Boss 302 manifold, so it's just gonna pull everything together. It has a bomb of performance tune on it, but a Palm Beach Dyno custom tune is really gonna pick up some extra power. So let's go head over to the meet. We're just gonna swap in the parking lot because it's super easy. So let's go head over. We're just gonna take the truck because I can fit everything in it and it's easy, so let's do it. All right, guys, we are in the truck. We're headed over to the meet. Should be a fun video. I have had so many things going on lately and it's keeping me really busy. Obviously, we have the GT500 motor, but I also have a huge surprise that I am working like crazy to pull off. And if I pull it off, it's gonna be awesome. We are keeping the S550, but we are paying it off finally. So we will have the title for it, and then we're going to get something crazy. I can't tell you details right now, but what you guys can do is go down to MustangLifestyle.net. If you want to pick up anything on there, or if you see something from a vendor that you want, hit me up, let me know, ask me a price. If you guys want to pick up GT500 t-shirts, we still have some of those left in stock. Let me know what you guys want to see in merchandise, whatever. We'll make it happen, and because what I'm trying to do is going to be crazy, and if I pull it off, it's going to be insane. So anyways, let's go head over to the shop. If you guys haven't already, MustangLifestyle.net, go head over there, use code YouTube. It takes a discount off of there. If you need a quote on anything, even install, I can set up installs or whatever you need. I have a phone number, it's on the website as well. You can go ahead and text it. You can also call. Sometimes I answer, sometimes I don't. Texting is the easiest way to get a hold of me and schedule an appointment to talk to me. But yeah, let's go head over to the meet. Let's get the JLT cold air intake installed on Mitch's 2011 GTCS that he picked up from us. Got the JLT. Oh man, we got no light. All right, so we got this good old Boss 302 cold air. We're gonna get rid of that junk, put a JLT on it. Then we got a Palm Beach Dyno tune. All right, so before we swap the intake on, I just wanna make sure it loads. The SETX3s can be a little weird. So we got the Palm Beach Dyno Vision 1. Gonna go ahead and program it. Typically, I suggest upgrading these, but for our case, this works fine. This is what's been on the car for a while. X4 or N-Gauge is really the best way to go. All right, so we are gonna install this. You know, I brought gloves. Oh, you know what I did forget? Thing for the math. So we're gonna need a Torx bit, something I didn't bring. Guess we'll try to figure that out.
That was a lucky mistake.
Alright, so flathead saved the day. So we can get the math out. Same direction. And just like that. Open with new bolts. Yes. Indeed it did. And a gasket. And they changed it out to Phillips heads. Probably very similar. I think the S550 kit's slightly different. Don't need this anymore. Yeah, the Boss 302 comes with that, I believe. The intake manifold kit.
Wasn't getting enough air in before. Oh, there's a fun part.
Sweat. Yeah. Should be good to rip.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, here you go.
Here, top.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll go take it for a test drive. Yeah, make sure it's general direction. All right, tune is loaded and it feels pretty good. What do you think, Mitch?
It's definitely good.
Yeah, it feels a lot healthier, a lot stronger. Fueling looks great, so I'm sure Mitch is going to be happy with it.
Definitely.
So, yeah, Palm Beach Dyno pretty much always has the tunes right on point. We did a JLT cold air, really simple, Boss 302 manifolds, and then the off-road X pipe and 4-leg cat pack. Super simple setup, and yeah, it's good to rip. Feel faster?
Yeah.
All right, Mitch, Chinese fire drill. You ready? You know what that means?
Yeah.
All right, ready, set, go. Chinese fire drill. Traction control's off, by the way. Oh, it's way faster, Mitch. Woo. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's smoother too. That little whip around there.
What do you think, man?
Yeah, that's nice. Definitely.
Dude, it's faster.
Faster, it's more smooth.
Yeah, it just sounds good. You'll probably get better gas mileage on this tune too.
Yeah,
So it was just a Obama off-the-shelf map before.
that's definitely a lot better.
Yep. Be careful, it'll probably spin a lot more in first and second now.
We did a little whip out there. That
Yeah.
was fat.
Yeah, it'll rev up to 7,500 or so. You don't want to take it all the way there all the time, but you know, when you got to beat some Camaros. Yeah, I think it's fast, dude, man.
Yeah, it's definitely fast.
It rips.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Easy little bolts on and a tune. Probably pops a little bit more now too.
Snap, crackle, pop tune.
Yep. Yeah. It's
Hell
good,
yeah.
man. Nothing like good old Chinese fire drill.
That was funny.
Oh yeah. Dude, it's fast.
Yeah.
It feels so good.
Philip said it's faster than Nathan's car.
Oh shit. Go take Philip for a ride real quick now. It's faster.
Oh yeah.
Philip, go for a ride.
Yeah, sounds good.
It rips.
Let me try this out.
How's it feeling though? She woke up a bit.
Fast.
It feels really good compared to earlier today.
We didn't do as much
What
as
if-
me and you did.
The spoiler looks good on it now too. Put it back on. Dang, man.
Lights are on.
Yeah. It looks sick. It looks really good.
Go grab my light over me.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the new JLT too. Looks a little bit different.
Yeah, it
But
looks good.
the filter's huge on it.
Yeah.
I love it. Heck yeah. Boss 302 manifold. Mitchie's taking good care of the old CS. So many people wanted me to keep the car, but I have too many cars. A little little throwback right there. This car actually only has 23,000 miles. Red Fire Cobra. Looks just like mine, just obviously mine had better paint. The only thing wrong with it was the paint, but they got a killer deal. Sweet car. Just needs a paint job. Gonna be good to go. Alright guys, we have left the meet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick video on Mitch's 2011 GTCS. Obviously that's the car we rebuilt, put the new motor in it, and then sold it to Mitch. We got the 3-valve for Mitch. So anyway guys, if you need anything from MustangLifestyle.net, go down in the link in the description, check out, or if you have any questions, hit me up, and we will see you guys in the next one.